This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 57, Energy After Survival. Life when survival is no longer the main strategy. Most people think energy returns the moment danger is gone. Biologically, it doesn't. Survival is not a switch, it is a strategy. And when that strategy ends, the body doesn't rush forward, it pauses. During survival, energy is allocated narrowly toward protection, toward vigilance, toward immediate function. Everything else is deferred. Creativity waits, curiosity waits, spontaneous joy waits. When survival pressure lifts, energy doesn't explode outward. It re-enters circulation slowly. This is why after long stress, energy comes in waves. Motivation feels inconsistent. Rest can feel unfamiliar. Direction feels unclear. Not because something is missing, but because redistribution is happening. The nervous system is learning a new rule. Energy no longer has to be armored. But unarmored energy feels different. It is softer, less urgent, less driven by threat. For many people, this phase feels confusing. There is no crisis, yet there is no rush. No danger, yet no clear push forward. This is not stagnation. This is recalibration. The body is testing how much energy can flow safely, how much movement is allowed, how much aliveness fits this new state. This is why forcing productivity here backfires. Energy after survival is not fuel for output. It is fuel for repatterning. If your energy feels quiet, if drive hasn't fully returned, if rest feels deeper than action, nothing is wrong with you. Your system is learning how to live without bracing. Next episode. Integration takes time. Why the body doesn't hurry into aliveness. Thank you.